press conference regarding the announcement of Elecrama 2025 Powering the Future of Energy held in Bangalore.
Whether it is an MNC that has established its manufacturing presence in India or our own homegrown large companies, small companies and medium companies, EMA works with all manufacturing industry of electrical and allied electronics in India. We have a pan-India presence. Our membership is over 1,000 companies. The combined turnover of these 1,000 companies is more than $70 billion with exports of more than $12 million. Our members make equipment that start right from power generation, transmission and distribution of electricity. The direct and indirect employment of this industry is about 2.5 million. What EMA does is basically a lot of policy advocacy and policy making with agencies in the central government, Ministry of Power, Renewable Energy, Central Electricity Authority and state utilities. And we have a fairly, EMA is a very respected body in some of those key policy decisions.
Similarly, being software hub, I was going through the data of the charging stations. Out of 60,000 charging stations in the country, Karnataka itself has more than 5,700 and other states are far behind. And because of this, Karnataka is looking for a rapid expansion in the power sector, and as Honorable CM announced, within the 7 years, Karnataka will be 60,000 megawatt. Interestingly, Karnataka has become a big hub for engineering students and also for the Technological Development Center. One of our members has set up a big center where at a single location 8,000 engineers will be there. Therefore, for launch of Elecrama, Karnataka is very, very important.
This is a startup capital and there are startup new technology which is being created all over the world. We have very large R&D centers for global companies which are doing research and also startups in the energy, new energy, clean energy, in electric transport. All these companies are based in Bangalore, is the first choice. So that is why for Elecrama, Bangalore is very special. You would be now wondering why we are talking about Elecrama, what is so special about Elecrama. Elecrama, this is the 16th edition of Elecrama and it has, every edition has been bigger than the previous one and this time it will be the world's largest electrical show. All over the world there is no single show which has got so many exhibitors. More than 11,000 you can see also, 1,100 exhibitors, 4 lakh business visitor footfalls, 15,000 plus B2B meetings, international buyers from 600 international buyers, 20 billion worth of business inquiries are expected, and we will host about 300 plus domestic buyers, and we will have country pavilions of more than 10 countries.
For which around 175 members belong to the southern part of the India. And Karnataka has a major trend there, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. We, as a southern region team of EMA, we provide a connection or conduit for the members or the electrical and electronics manufacturers to communicate and to convey their concerns, their priorities to the central office, which will help the central office to interact with the central government and develop the policies. To gather their concern, we regularly conduct regional meetings. We also, and which we have in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, various parts of the southern region. We make sure we go there, we have meetings there, we interact, communicate with the manufacturers who are based in that cities.
I am Vikram Gandotra, Vice President EMA and Chairperson for Elecrama 2025. I welcome all of the exhibitors and visitors from state of Karnataka to come and join us from February 22nd to February 26th in the India Expo Mart NCR region for a truly remarkable exhibition, which is the world's largest electrical show.
The 16th edition of Elecrama will be much bigger and bolder than earlier shows. We are expecting 1100 exhibitors and more than 400,000 visitors. We'll be showcasing the energy transition, the new technologies, and I think more than 80 exhibitors from the Karnataka will be displaying their product, etc. We are encouraging startup, as I said earlier, more than 50 new startups will be displaying their technologies. We will be shortlisting them. And this is a right opportunity for industry to come and see the innovation, the technologies, and how they can save energy. I think a lot of effort is being done by the industry to save energy in the home and the industries. And I think many startups and the mature technologies for the home automation and the industrial control will be displaying their product. So there is no other show larger than this. Please come to Noida on from 22nd to 26th February and join us.
ಆರ್ಯ ಸತ್ಯನಾರಾಯಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ NEC ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ವುಮೆನ್ ಇನ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಉದ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಚೇರ್ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಲೆಕ್ರಾಮ 2025 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 22ರಿಂದ 26 ತನಕ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ವಿಶ್ವದಲ್ಲೇ ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಶಕ್ತಿ ವಿದ್ಯುನ್ಮಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಗಳಿಗೆ. ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಕಲಿತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಬರೋವಂಥ ಸುಮಾರು ಅವಕಾಶಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾಜನತೆಯೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಸಕ್ರಿಯವಾಗಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು.